Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you Arrowmax's new electric drill, the SDS Mini. So it is the little brother to the SDS Pro, but equally as awesome. Okay, so here we have the Arrowmax SDS Mini. The part number of this SDS Mini that I'm showing you today is AM19971. Now, having an electric drill handy that's rechargeable is pretty awesome. I haven't seen one like this in my travels. As you can see, like all the SDSs, they come in the aluminium case that's provided. All the 10 drill bits, which range from 0.6 up to 2.2 millimeters, are all magnetized in their tray. So it's really great for storage. Also in the box, you do get the SDS Mini manual, which is all in English, nice and colored detailed drawings to show you the operation, which I'll explain in this video. So the SDS Mini simply comes out of the case as you can see. We've got your USB-C charging port, your one-touch operation button on the top here, 4 LEDs, and your self-locking charge. Now the operation with the SDS Mini is a one-touch key. The first touch will allow your SDS to turn clockwise, as you can see with the indicator here. Second push will make the SDS spin counterclockwise, and the last push will turn your SDS off. So one use that I think we've got for RC cars would be modifying your shock pistons. Now, you know, some manufacturers have different options for you, but this is a great tool to have at the track and conveniently, easily make some new holes that will be perfect for adjusting your suspension. So as you can see, super easy, 3 buttons, and she turns off. So that's the Arrowmax SDS Mini. You can also get the drill press to go with it, the option, but we'll get onto the drill press in a different video. And as you can see, everything neatly stores away. So when you're at the track, nice convenient small packaging. The SDS Mini is also great for, you know, all types of hobbies and interests that require a handy rechargeable drill. Thanks guys.